Hi guys. Are you looking for the best electric water heater? If you received a new electric water heater, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best electric water heaters on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Get less started on this video. Number 1. Kickstart Electric Water Heater. Link on the description. Number 2. Rewelna Electric Water Heater. Link on the description. Number 3. DMWD Electric Water Heater. Link on the description. Number 4. Rewelna Electric Water Heater. Link on the description. Number 5. Zockman CE Electric Water Heater. Link on the description.